All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of break number 15, which is one of the NFL Red Zone card boxes. So we'll check the time, November 14th at 6:22 p.m. We're going to go over to what we'll call the raffle and type live. And we have November 14th at 6:22 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Steve. Spot number 2 is our winner. So, Steve, you have the option of having your box open tonight or me sending it to you sealed, so let me know. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, November 14th, 6:22 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.